If you're interested to know how to style a natural hairstyle for your child, come on, let me walk you through it. This video is right for you. As a mom, sometimes we just want to do natural hairstyle. I'm going to show you how I style this beautiful hairstyle for my daughter. The first thing I do with this hair is I undo the braid I made before, because when I want to make the hair like tomorrow, I will lose the hair today, wash it, moisturize it, then weave it or twist it, either ways. Then after I lose the braid, I moisturize it and I spray it. If you have been following this channel, you know moisturize hair, spray it is a must. I do it, so that is why I make my kids hair every 2 weeks. But this Bianca, sometimes I made her hair every week because of she's a kindergarten girl. So sometimes when they are playing in the park, they will just her mate or she herself she puts sand on her hair. So I have to lose the hair, wash it, and redo it again. So the reason why those doing hair every time has not damaged her hair is because of the way I am taking care of the hair. So after I part the hair, you see the way I do it. I cut out the circle inside the middle of the hair. Then I'm going to section the hair into four, which is after the one inside. Then I'm going to section it into four, which is one here and one the other side, and the same thing one at the back. I don't know if you understand the way I'm explaining it. The way I'm holding now, see, just like this. See the way I section it into four. So if you want to get the cutting like this, and this is what you should do before you start weaving this hairstyle. I have made this hairstyle before, but not exactly like this, but just like this. So you see the one I made before, this one was just all down, there was no one in the middle, but this one I decided to make this one really different, which is that's why I do that one in the middle. And also I made the mistake on this hair. I'm going to tell you where I made mistake. Just keep watching. So after I section it into four parts like this, so I started weaving it, how do I say it, bit by bit, or the way I part the hair now, I part it into four. So I first of all finish one, enter one, finish one, and that's what I'm trying to explain. So, and what I used to also to clear the part, it is edge control. It's not China Jam, but it's another one, which I have always put the link in my description section. So because this one is also nice, so I'm using this one for now. Cup is bigger, not just bigger anyways, because it's nice, but also the cup is bigger and it's almost the same amount. So if this one the cup is bigger and it's the same amount, why not just go for it? So that is why I'm kind of stuck to that one now. I said I always try different products anyway, but anyone I go for, I will still come back to this one I'm using because it's big. It's big and it's nice. So I just whip the hair. When I got to the tip like so, I twist it just like this. See, the reason why I twist the hair is to make the hair have more tip. See the hair I see how long her hair is. So, and the reason why me making her hair every time has not damaged her hair, because I always moisturize the hair and I always spray it. So when I'm making the hair, sometimes when I see that okay, it's getting dry, I just spray it. I have it close to me. I cannot say because I moisturize the hair before I finish the hair I will not do it again. No, if I see that some part is tangled, I will just put a little moisturizer in my hand, use to comb it again. And after this, I'm going to show you where you can oil it. And so see, so how I started is the way the same way I finish it, just like so. You see, so it's so easy at that, very easy. So this will take me I think 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, the reason why it even took me up to that 20 to 30 minutes because my baby was kind of sometimes she need my attention and all that. But you can do yours maybe a longer or shorter time, depends on how fast you are, or how patient your child can be. Because Bianca, she's a very patient person. Only when you give her tablet to watch, that's why she's always like, I want to make my hair. I don't allow them to watch tablet without me making their hair. So she always say, I want to make my hair, so that she will have opportunity to watch the tablet, and yeah, and I'm gaining it, she's gaining it too. And other of her sisters, they are very patient. So in case you don't know, I have 4 girls. I'm a mother of 4 girls, and Bianca is the third one. The baby, I've not started making her hair. So when I gave birth to her hair came so somehow, and I just scraped the hair. I thought when the hair grow, everything's going to just come together. But some parts still grow and leave some parts. So I decided to just, okay, let me just allow the hair to grow by itself before I start making her hair. So for now, I'm making the 3 girls' hair. So see the way I'm just making it now. This hair is so easy. So the mistake I made, which I'm going to tell you guys later. So if it's the first time I'm coming across my channel, welcome to my channel, and I'm glad to have you as one of the family. My name is Susan, a mom of 4 girls living in Germany, and welcome to my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all for coming back to support our channel. So yeah, see the way we just did it now. So let me leave you to just watch this part until we go to the up side. So you see Bianca hair here. See here, I mistakenly cut her hair. See, it's very short there. So I was trying to remove. I think I added there's this fashion they do in school. I added extra hair to it. So when I was trying to remove it, because of the hairband I used to tie the extra hair to it, and she was just shaking her head, playing with her baby sister, and I'm mistakenly just cut the hair along with it. So that was what happened there. So you see this middle here, you see the hair is not that tiny as this one. So how you gauge it? If you see the part I cut there now, you see it covers 3 parts from the one we weave down. Cover the 3 parts. So I don't know if I'm making sense with my explanation. Like before you part, I part it. Let's see, like this. When you look at it, you see that if you look at the hair and the one I weave already, you see that the hair, how do I say it? If you count the hair, it will be like 3 parts of this one I weave already. I don't know if I'm making sense with what I'm explaining. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. If you look at this hair I'm weaving right now and the one I weave already, you will see that the size of the hair, okay, the size of the hair is like the 3 of the one I've done already, like this. You see, it's like 3 of it, because I don't want inside that middle to be too tiny. I wanted to do it just one, but I said that, okay, let me just do it up. Maybe next time I will do that one bone. So now we are almost done, and it's a natural hair, and I'm going to pull bead. So, and where I made the mistake is where the bead that I used on this hair. So I bought this bead from Temo, and when the bead came, I saw that the bead was too tiny for the hair. I was really I felt somehow. So I tried to use the bead. I didn't know I will be needing this bead for this natural hair. I tried to use it when I added some kiki coil to her hair, but the thing didn't go. So I just allowed my kid to be playing with it. So this day I said, let me try it, and I tried it. It really works. So when I bought the bead, I bought 5 packets. So when I wanted to use it now, I think I I think 2 or 3 is what I finally got, which is this very bead right now. So I started fixing it. I was just happy, like, at least the bead work will enter the hair. When I tried to fix the hair, I was almost done, and I saw that the bead was not enough. Like, guys, I felt bad when I saw that the bead was not enough, and as I have already fixed all this one, I already tie it. So the way I do this front now, you see the way I'm doing it, because her hair is long. If I leave it long like the other part, it's going to be covering her eyes, and she won't be comfortable in it. Like Bianca, she don't quiet when she's not comfortable in her hair. She say it, she don't care if you have to lose the hair. She just tell you. So I fold the hair after I put the bead. I fold it, and when I fold it, the first one became the last, which is I don't know, the one that I just hold right now. So I use rubber band to hold that middle again, so that it will stay. It will stay as if the hair was short. You see, like this. See, like this. So the mistake I made is when I saw that the bead was finished, there was nothing I could do. I had to start losing some of the hair, because I used three seed before. I started losing some, removing, making it 2, making some 2, making some, leaving some for 3. When I saw that it's not going to work, I had to use another color, which another color of bead. See, that's why you see that pink inside. I didn't plan to use that pink. I just plan to use the one I'm using here. So that was the mistake I made, for allowing my kids to play with that bead, to just do away with it when I know I will still need it, And after I finished the hair, see the oil, I don't play with this oil. I made it myself. I don't know why I have not dropped this video. I promised to drop it, but I just don't know why. Each time I want to make the video, I'm always kind of too tight to film it. Each time I want to make the oil, I'm too tight to do filming. I will try to drop this oil. It's very nice. I recommend you give it a try. So tell me, do you like this hairstyle? And how do you see it? Do you like it? See, it's so easy and beautiful. So if you like it, I want to know. Thank you so much. And that is the end of this video for today, and I hope to see you guys in our next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now. One love.